But today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on AliExpress. To know how to find a solution about not installed on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window of AliExpress. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.